What's going on, y'all? It's Next Trade Lou, and I wanted to make this video to talk about Rithmic Trader Pro, and specifically two functions that I think are underutilized, and those functions are the stop loss and the profit goal function. So, over the past couple weeks, couple months, we've seen increased volatility in the market, and because of that, there's lots of orders being put into the market, and it may overload some systems, specifically Rithmic. I know a lot of these prop firms use Rithmic as the data provider, and if you're logged into a platform and you're in your positions, you may have an OCO order on, which is in one cancels the other, or you might be in a position naked. And what if you get kicked off your platform? Well, now you're in a position and you're trying to get back onto your platform and you're not able to. And now you're either in a trade that's heavy in profit or heavy in loss and you can't get out. Well, if you had these stop loss or profit target functions in place in Rhythmic, you could have either gotten out with your profit goal or you could have gotten out with a loss that was acceptable by you and be able to preserve your account. So I want to talk about how to specifically add those to your accounts in this video right now. So once you open up Rhythmic Trader Pro and you log in, you want to make sure that you are on the Trader dashboard. Trader dashboard is going to just display your account, the active status, all these different things that you see in these specific columns. So what you're going to do is right click on any of the rows, go to the view risk parameters. That's the option you want to select. The next window pops up and you'll see that there are three tabs up top. The first two tabs, those are set by the prop firm, set by the administrator, so you can't do anything about those. But what you do want to do is go to the last tab. That's the risk parameter set by the trader. This is the one for you. You're gonna see only one of your accounts here. So you'll go to the fourth column. Fourth column is the auto liquidate column. You want to enable that. So go ahead, double click. It brings up the drop down menu. Go ahead and select enabled. Once you do that, go to the fifth column, which is the auto liquidate criteria. Double click that. Go down to multiple simultaneous criteria. Go ahead and select that. Then you want to go to your keyboard and press tab. Tab will pop up the set button. Go ahead and click set. And now you have another pop-up window that comes up. These are all the simultaneous criteria that can be a function for you if you want to set them. So again, we're going over the two specific functions, the loss limit and the profit limit. So what I think what I have, or what I think traders should have, is again loss limit and profit limit. Go ahead and check those off. Add your loss limit in here. So for example purposes, if you want your loss limit to only be 500, go ahead and type in 500. If your profit limit is going to be 500, go ahead and do profit 500. Go ahead, click save, click apply, click OK. Now, that loss limit and profit limit are set for that one specific account you did it for. You now have to go in and do it for every single account. So you would go to your next account, right click, do the same thing, and go ahead and set that loss limit and profit limit for yourself, just to ensure account preservation. So yeah, and that's it, man. And just so you know, just a quick reminder, we're live every weekday for the New York Open. You can watch us trade live in real time. You can see the wins, the losses, and everything in between. If you're serious about trading, hit that like button, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. And please turn your notifications on. Let's get it.